Good afternoon. It's September 25th, 2025, and here's what we're looking at. So this is the past few days. This week, we just been in this channel downward, this bear channel, and uh, as soon as today started, we get this strong move down, and that creates an overshoot of this channel. It tests the level of resistance, then makes a double bottom, and rallies. I don't know if there was a news item in there. Rallies and then sells off and finds support near that level. Again, this is a form of wedge bottom, as Al Brooks calls it. We got the double bottom here, and then it tries to break lower and fails. So, an overshoot of the channel usually leads to a break. That's what Mac always says. I mean, it makes sense if you think about it. People are playing the channel. You get an overshoot. So the people who are short, they look at this as a gift. It's oversold now. I got a ton of profits, so they take profits. And that's why it corrects and you usually get a break of the channel. I'm not considering this a break. I'm not convinced that that's a break. So, uh, you know, obviously for the market and stocks, I hope we get a break here, maybe move to a new low, find support here, and then bounce. Here's the daily chart. So we bounced off the EMA today and formed a stem. So as the close here, close 66, 66, 60, 75. So it's a higher close. Oh wait, it closes at 2, so we'll have to wait. But maybe we'll get a higher close than this doji over here. But anyway, so when you see this thing, whew, we're in a bear channel. You need to get short as soon as you can and take a small position because bear days and bear moves, they just are faster and quicker, um, and they appear stronger than bull moves. And Al Brooks has talked about it. It has something to do with options expiring. So um, when you see this bear momentum, you want to get short. And so there's no entries according to max rules, but if you're, what time is this? 4 a.m. So 7 a.m. Eastern time. If you're in here, I would say take this and go aim for the bottom of the channel. We make this double bottom down here, bounce a little bit, can't make it back to the EMA, and it keeps going down. And yeah, you want to get short in here, but you got to take quick profits. This is like a 14 bar micro channel or 10 bar maybe. Um, you want to trail each bar because look, boom, big bounce. And then, like I said, makes the double bottom. Now, we do have a gap above the EMA here, so if you want to be aggressive, maybe you take this, but it looks like there was a news item shortly after 7, and this is a very strong move down. But it is a double bottom after we get a gap above the EMA after the overshoot of this bear channel. So there's reasons to like it, but you're going to have to go for a big reward. If you're risking 7 points, you're going to have to go for 14. And I'm certain you got probably 21. Yeah, 28. You could have gotten 28 points pretty easily. Now we create a gap above this area, but it doesn't mean a whole lot. We know that we're in a bear channel. You get a sell off with a gap below the EMA, another gap below the EMA. So it's not, it's not a strong bull move really. I would say, I think it's reasonable to get short up here. This is clearly a bear channel. And, prices come back to it and bounce off it. I think you can consider getting short on this bear bar. And we just keep making lower highs. And, I wouldn't blame anybody for getting short on this bear bar. It is going into this level of potential support, but we're probably trying to close this gap at least. It does bounce a little bit, but then boom. And then that's a strong bear move, man. Then you get this bull move. So a lot of V's today. You see this boom, 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 and then boom, and then boom. So, you know, you got to be very careful on days like this, trying to pick bottoms. I think you just want to sell. So anyway, there's one last look at it. I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.